it's Happymailqueen. I have a haul for you guys. These are some dice that I had purchased, I believe around Christmas time. I had a little budget and I also got some Amazon gift cards. I don't know if I can fit everything in one video, so I'm probably going to split it up. So this one is from mostly Alina Crafts and a couple of other alley stores. But let me go ahead and just dive on in. So this is one of the first dice that I had gotten. I think it was after Christmas. And I figured I can use it next year, but I had to have it. I saw my BFF, hey Erica, my biggest enabler. She had created a project a while ago with this one, and it reminded me actually of a Cricut cut file that I had, I think was actually free on the Design Space. And I had intended to do a project with it. I cut it out. It was a sewing project with my daughter, but my daughter didn't want to do any crafting during the holidays, during her vacation. So we ended up not doing it. But anyway, that's what it reminds me of. It says on the side, it's a Christmas snowman. So it creates a snowman. You can see the head here. I think this is the body. And then you can also, and then this is a scarf. You could also create a gingerbread man, and that's the die that I really, really wanted. And here's the body and the head, and then this is the little cap, which is like frosting on top. And anyway, I didn't cut it out because I haven't removed the little, they're connected. And but this is how the die comes, so I just wanted to show you guys. But I will link my BFF's video on there because she did put this together and it was just so cute. I had to grab it. So I did get that one. I also found this cute bear die. This is called Christmas Bear. And let me know if you guys want the links to some of these, because I can't remember which stores I bought it from. I haven't bought a ton of dice like some of you guys have on Ally, because my husband wasn't letting me at first buy dice from there, as because I usually get my dice from Amazon and other stores. But anyway, he did give me a Christmas budget and he said I can shop on Amazon. I mean on Ally. So but anyway, I was searching for a bear die, and I found this one, which is super cute, and I'm not sure if I've seen anyone haul this. Actually, maybe Gloria might have hauled this because I remember she was doing a lot of baby projects for her grandbaby. But anyway, I did cut this one out, and look how adorable this little cutie is. Is she not? And my niece actually is turning 1 this month, and so yes, we have a baby in the family again, yay. And I had recently seen her finally, and anyway, she is gonna have a birthday, so I'll be attending her birthday party. So I just thought this is super cute, and I want to maybe make a little birthday card on it, with it, sorry. So yes, I had to pick up this little bear, and it does create a girl bear as well as a boy bear, and it's called Christmas Bear because I guess the boy bear, you can put a little Christmas hat on him. But anyway, and again, enabled by Erica. I had to get this 3D crown die. I don't know if this is where she got it, if it's, from the same vendor, but I did find this one, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's super adorable. Now, all I need is, instead of this princess word die, I need to find one that says queen. But I did cut this one out as well. And It looks like this. I just cut it out really simply and just put some crystals on it. But is this not adorable? I mean, come on, I had to get it. I had to grab this one. So I just couldn't help but play with this die. So the rest are from Alina Crafts. So let me go ahead and go over that. First of all, I got a free gift again. So thank you so much. I love it when I get little free gifts. And I believe I did receive some free flower dies from Alina Cuddle before. And luckily, they're all different. So thank you so much for not sending me the same die. But anyway, it's a free gift, and I so much appreciate that. So thank you so much. Okay, so there were several dies that I had to have. And while I was on there, I decided to just go ahead and get this one stamp. I've seen my BFF use this before, and I just think it's super cute. And like I said, I'm doing a birthday card for my niece. And so I thought, you know, this one says happy birthday. So I thought this one would be perfect to add to that little bear, a card that I will make with this little bear. But anyway, it has all these other sentiments, and then it comes with the die. So they're packaged separately, but when you purchase it, they are purchased together. In other words, you're not making two separate purchases. So here's the die, and here's the stamps. Sorry. And this is so cute. Now, I had seen this on the site before. I'm not always buying, but I do browse around. And I decided to go ahead and grab it since I was getting stuff. Usually when I'm on a site, you know, because you're sometimes paying for shipping, sometimes it's free, but, you know, since you're buying one thing from that store, I usually try to just, get more than one die. So anyway, I thought this one was super cute, and I didn't cut this one out yet because, again, I just received these dies recently, so I have not cut that one. But let me just show you an example, because my BFF had given this to me for Christmas. It had an ornament in it, which is still hanging on my little tree, but this is how the little bow looks like. It's a 3D bow, and isn't that super, just super, super pretty? I just love it so much, and I had to get it after I had seen her use it several times on her, you know, crafty projects. And then I had to get this one. And again, I didn't cut this, but I will leave a link to Erica's channel. And Erica is Scrap Diva 29, just to let you guys know, in case there's some of you who don't know her, but I'm sure most of you do. She's, I believe, done some projects with it, or she's at least cut this one out, I know. But it's so pretty. You get a border, you get, well, this I think you're not supposed to cut out, but you get this separate piece here, and these, it's perfect for Valentine's. So I had to just grab it, and since I was getting the rectangular one, I thought I might as well get also this one. This is actually the one I really, really wanted, but it is different, because not just the shape, but also because you get, you know, the border on this one, and you also get these little pieces right here, which are part of the frame. So this one is more of a nesting die, and it comes with 4 of the frame, and also I guess these are little corner pieces. So super, super pretty. I love it. And then I think she's had this in the shop for a while, but I just had never seen it, and I basically got this one because of this particular border design here. It's so cute, and it reminds me of a punch that I've always wanted that it's pretty much discontinued now, I think. So so I thought, well, I'm just gonna grab this border die because it's very similar to that one. And then you get all these other ones. I mean, look, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 borders. So that is amazing. That is pretty awesome. So and you know, for a fraction of the price that you'd be paying if you get it elsewhere. So anyway, I was super surprised that these actually came in pretty quickly this time. I know in the past I've kind of said, oh, you know, they take so long and I don't have the patience when I buy from Allie, but some vendors actually ship pretty quickly. So I was very happy to have gotten this sooner than later. And anyway, so yeah, I'm just having fun creating. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and for joining me today. And I'll talk to you guys later.